Okay, here's a review of the ACE Fire Preparedness Package. This is version 3. We're gonna do an unboxing right now. My man sent me the good stuff right here. We're gonna open this thing up and see what we got inside. All right, let's see. Wow, there it is. Look at that valve. Big old nice ball valve. Yep, pretty nice. What other goodies do we got in here? Ooh, looks like I got a nice wrench. Yep, spar wrench. Nice, some stickers. Sweet. Oh, maybe some face shields. Nice. What else do we got in here? Yeah, safety goggles. Nice. Excellent. Wow, look at these premium hoses. Big old nice solid brass ends on them. Look at that. Did you look at it? I'm talking 75 footers, babe. 2 75-foot. Beautiful. Beautiful hoses. Excellent. I got 2 of them in there. I got 2 excellent nozzles. Adjustable nozzles. Wow. Great. 2 nozzles. Perfect. And 1 more fire hose. There it is. I mean, and look at these solid brass. I mean, these are professional, quality grade, quality hoses. Yeah, that's nice. Excellent. Well, thank you very, very much, ACE Fire Preparedness. Please reach out, firepreparedness.com. Here's their phone number. Here's their website. And don't hesitate. This is quality looking equipment. It's going to do exactly what I need it to do. And now I have a little bit more security at night, knowing that I can hook up to the hydrant at the bottom of my driveway. Thank you.